everyone! Glad to see you again and welcome back to our channel. If you have an outdoor kitchen and want to give it a bit of an update, this video is perfect for you. We will show you best collection of outdoor kitchen ideas with awesome grill and countertop. Over the warmer months, there are a few things we enjoy as much as al fresco cooking and dining. One element of the space which you might not have given much consideration to yet are outdoor countertop ideas. There's a huge trend right now for outdoor kitchen ideas, but the focus tends to be on the layout, cooking equipment, or furniture. Surfaces work hard as somewhere to prep food, rest utensils or hot pans, and as the basis for everything you need in the space. With your garden kitchen, there are a few things to bear in mind before you start searching for your worktops. Find a nice spot among your garden ideas where you have enough space. The outdoor kitchen should not be fully exposed to sunlight, and if possible, find the least windy area. Also, make sure you plan accordingly for any water or electricity access, as this will play a big part in planning. Here are 5 simple tips to make your outdoor kitchen looks awesome. 1. Choose a metallic design. Stainless steel is a popular choice for kitchens and not just those indoors. Give your outdoor kitchen or garden bar ideas a modern twist by using steel on your countertops. It looks great, adds a cool, sleek element, plus it's delightfully low maintenance. Also, part of why steel is so often used in kitchens is that it's durable and naturally antibacterial, which is just as useful when you take it outside. One thing to bear in mind is that it will get hot in the sun, so it's not the best option if you don't have shade to work with. 2. Opt for natural stone. Show off natural undulations and pretty imperfections by choosing a rough and rustic piece of slate. The top will stay smooth while the edges will add the extra bit of visual interest. Plus, it's naturally resistant to heat, so great if you're working with hot pans or have a nearby fire. 3. Create an industrial look with concrete. Concrete is having a moment in all areas of design. The versatile material can be poured into virtually any shape, so you can create whatever layout you need. This is also ideal if you're working with small garden ideas and need to stick to more petite dimensions. As a bonus, remember you can get concrete in just about any color, so you can go wild if gray isn't your thing. If you opt for concrete, you have to be sure to seal it correctly when installed and resealed on a regular basis to prevent cracks and stains. 4. Look to simple slabs. Tile slabs are worth considering for outdoor countertop ideas just as they are for your patio paving ideas. This is the best solution if you want to make a statement with your surfaces, as tiles, of course, come in all manners of colors, patterns, and finishes. 5. Go traditional with wood. We use wood in our garden furniture ideas for good reason. It's naturally strong, can handle just about every kind of temperature, and can be stained to match your style. Additionally, some types of wood are even resistant to insects and molds. All that said, it's a needy material and requires a good deal of upkeep to stay in tip-top condition. An alternative is choosing a wood effect tile so you can get the look without as much maintenance.